Hey guys, I just wanted to finish up the day here with six really great questions and one thank you statement. And this comes from a lot of traders that are in our DNA room or our methodology room, as we call it. For our first question is, what do we do in the methodology room? Well, what we do in the methodology room is very, very simple. We trade the method. We have 3 core setups, and then we have 3 higher level setups for those who have been with me for years who want to learn more advanced types of setups, maybe to put like a little cherry on the top. So what are we doing in here in the DNA room? Well, we're going over and we're looking for setups that we can take from about 7:30, 8 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time all the way up until noontime Eastern Standard Time. Usually between crude and the ES is going to be on average 6 trades. 6 trades. And the goal is to be able to take as much out of the market as possible without becoming greedy. So that's what we do. You're refining your skills of what you've learned from me as a one-on-one mentor. So you're taking your mentoring techniques, and all of our students are in one room, and we're watching the trades as they happen, and we're taking the trades as they happen. Great question. How do we win and keep our win rate so high? One very, very simple answer. Discipline. You must maintain a discipline. In other words, as most people would know out there who trade our method, we don't take an S play or an RS play into a ZL. Okay? We make sure that we get out of 80% of our trades once we reach the playground. If we get a death candle situation, that's a material change in the marketplace. So the reason why we're able to keep our win rate so high is because we know why or how we should get out of the market as far as a percentage. The percentage of the time we get out of the market is because the market's telling us it's time. Great question. Now, number 3, if you're so good, why do you share your methodology? I ask myself this all the time. But the answer is, it's the most affordable method, the best method out there. You're not going to get a better method. Everyone else out there is hawking this market profile and ABCDEFG waves and all this other stuff. If you can't touch it and it's not tactile, what's it really going to do for you if you don't understand it? I mean, everyone who knows our power play knows that there's nothing more objective than a power play, as long as it's not at the high or the low of the day. So the reason is quite simple. You share, for all of these years now, the time in the room with me, and we enjoy it most of the time, and we're able to spend some time together, and you're able to refine your skills. And to be quite honest, it feels good for me to be in there with you so that you can become better. We all become better. Great question. Number 4, why do you always say we take our profits from the retail trader? The reason I always say we is because the whole essence of the methodology is we do, as everyone knows, the opposite of what the retail trader does. We do the opposite of what the retail trader does. And when you're doing something such as that, it's going to put you in a winning situation. That's why I say we take our profits from the retail trader. Now, number 5, what truly makes a great trader? What truly makes a great trader is somebody who's totally disciplined, who doesn't let their emotions get in the way. As soon as you let your emotions get in the way, you take profits too quickly, you don't take your losses, you start moving your stops, you start doing things that you know are going to be detrimental to your success. So Very, very important. What makes you a great trader is you follow the rules and you're extremely disciplined. Let's go on to number 6. What markets does your methodology work best on? All of the E-minis. You can trade the currencies. You can trade, if you like, I don't. You can trade gold. You can trade silver. You can trade the bonds. Doesn't matter what you trade, as long as you're disciplined and you're following every piece of the methodology. Now, number 7 is a statement, and it goes like this. Sam, I just want to thank you for everything you do for all of us every single day. Well, coming back at you, I want to thank all of my students for putting in the hard work. As I always say to them every single day, you must study to become the best you can be 3 hours a day, 15 hours a week, 60 hours a month if you want to become the elite. That's how you get to where you need to go in this business. Everyone always says the same thing. I'm so good in everything else I do, but when it comes to trading, it's so difficult. How can I become a great trader? Do what I say, and you should be able to get to where you need to go. If you need to contact me, it's Sam Goldberg, www.futurestradingcoach.com. Feel free to email me, put in your Skype ID, as well put in your phone number, and I'll be more than happy to take a half hour out of my day and have a consultation with you absolutely 100% free of charge. Also, don't forget to sign up for the 5-day free trial. No credit card needed. Everyone have a great day. And once again, I want to thank everyone again for being there and working as hard as you possibly can. Until tomorrow, great trading and get some rest.